how to upload photos in your Google Drive and share the link from your PC or from your mobile phone. So I'm going to do it on my PC. Simply find out the Google Drive in front of you. If you have app, that will be more good thing for you. Now this is my Google Drive. Click on official link for it. There is a lot of files in my Google Drive right now. Here I will click on the left top of the screen to add new files to it. Then click on file upload. Then select any of the pictures from your PC which you want to upload it and then send the link for it. Now I have selected a picture. Here I will click on the upload button to upload it. After it will be uploaded, what you have to do is simply find out the screen where the photo has uploaded. So on the bottom you can see my upload, but I will click on the three options, the three line on the my post here. Click on the share option. Then on the left you have an option to copy your link for this file here. You can share this link anywhere you want, or you can also add some peoples to your account to get access of this photo. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to our channel.